Hi there. Today I want to show you how to make a notebook, how to create an ebook on a Canva website. The Canva website is amazing for website designers. Yeah, so you can design whatever you want. You can design books. So many things in Canva website you're going to make it. And then if you already want to start to make things, so this course is for you or this tutorial for you. And I'm happy here to help you how to design like this. But okay, for all of us, professional book, you are going to feel like so I go to video how to create your book cover, right? So I already made a video, therefore to watch channel, and then let's go to watch how to make a journal page. And then we are going to download a PDF, and then we are going to publish on Amazon PDF. So, and also I made a video my channel how to publish on Amazon PDF. So if you want to publish, you can go to watch that video. It's very short and full instructions. And then we book one of the Amazon live. So we are going to sell there and we'll get a lot of profit when we make a lot of sales. Of many people, you made million of dollars today for this opportunity for you. So this was for you guys. Forget like subscribe my channel, and then I want to each week I want to post like these videos. So I'm uploading. So yeah, then we want to learn together, right? So yeah, this is the words right here. And let's go to how to download this one. Let's go to here. We get our channel on book guys. Book. Here, here on the controller, download here, PNG. Let's open. We are going to PDF file. Then just one. Yeah. See how simple it is. So this now our cover is already done. Let's go to create a journal. Let's go to journal. So guys, we have already journals here. So everybody waited. We can wait. So we go to the end. That is also from another journals in the main here. But if you want it like this, also you can take it there. So let's go to take with the journal here or sit or go to pick it up. You don't want to take journal. Let's go to save first journal. Journal book or I think that's empty. As to leave empty, doctor, right? So we're going to here again. Okay, personal notebook 8.5 11-inch. Here we grab content PDF again. Okay, so we are going to duplicate this one and we can here again this one. Okay, then we come here. Copy it or that photo. Just first. See how easy, right? First, how much? 100, 400, 300, 500, 300, 400. So whatever you want, you are going to get there. Very simple. Very journal, notebook. I'm not going to check how the board, the board 168, right? So not going to get 200. Make it 2. So 200. We want only 200. Not to delete 2. I for fixed right. 200. Can here create new PDF file. Oh, now we are at 200 page that we have covered. So here, that's everything's ready. So we are going to publish Amazon PDF. So it's a very short, guys. This way you are going to create like 100 of ebook or notebook. Then you are going to sell Amazon KDP. It's for free. Everything you are creating for free, and then you are going to sell. There to create your own counting, and then you are going to sell. So it's right doing medicine. So bye for now. See you my next tutorial.